Okay, great. First of all, let me ask the question to the students. So, is there any update on your notebook, on your IPython notebook? So, Mark, Nina, Daniel, Alexa. So, who who may show their work? Is there any update?
Yeah, I
Or
mean, I'm changing it right now, so
good, show it. Normal.
yeah, I haven't done anything yet. So I mean, I've written like 2 lines of code since the
Oh,
start of the
okay.
meeting, so yeah, I don't have much
Okay, okay.
to tell
No,
you.
no, no, no problem. So, does anyone have a complete notebook? So, their homework for the previous lesson was, first of all, creating the graph for a median, and the second one, rewriting everything into classes, into object-oriented programming. Okay, we can do it now. But please, it is definitely needed. It is definitely, yeah, Nina.
I was I was able to I was able to do it, but
Okay, that's great. So if you did it, could you please later upload it into our Telegram channel, okay, or somewhere else? So just for me, just to check it and to make some comments. Uh, it would be great if you could. Okay, then. Let's do it ourselves. So it will be, so today it will be a little bit more dedicated for programming than to mathematical methods, but we will go through some important statistical metrics, because there is a possibility that on the real contest, you will be supposed to build the model, to evaluate the model, and to make some conclusions. So, okay, so this is the model, it works in this way, this is good, bad, or whatever. So, actually, evaluating the model means that there are some statistics needed. Let me ask Vladimir. Can we work with such how to say, with such stuff as variance, standard deviation, median, mode, all this stuff? So this is the statistical distributions. So, for
We can
example,
certainly work with them, but maybe we should remind the definition of these things.
okay,
Remind people about the definition, and there is nothing complex about those things that
absolutely, yeah,
the students
yeah,
wouldn't understand.
yeah, that's great.
I'm not
So,
sure if they have statistics. I mean, there is this such subject as probability and statistics, but I don't remember which grade in which grade it is. You better ask them.
so guys, do you know what is
for
variance or standard
What is what?
deviation? Variance. In Russian, it
Very.
will be dispersia. Well,
Dyspersia.
yeah, exactly. Dispersia is variance, and standard
Yes,
deviation is стандартное отклонение.
yes, and deviation. I understand.
Okay, never mind. So,
Well,
yeah,
basically, like the I don't know, the variability, like the difference between the average.
the difference between variance and standard deviation. Okay, so the difference between the variance and standard deviation.
No, no, no. The question was if variance is the difference between the value and the average. Well, in some
Uh,
sense it is, considering probabilities of different values of random
well,
variables.
not quite. So, yes, approximately the physical meaning is exactly what you are talking. So, variance is the value. So it's not a value; it's the matrix that tells you about the distribution, and it tells you how wide the distribution is. So the wider the distribution, the bigger the variance. But the exact definition of the variance is that this is a mathematical mean between the difference between the mathematical mean of the distribution and the exact value. So it's
Mm,
never mind.
mathematical expectation, you mean?
Yes, yeah, exactly. Mathematical expectation, yeah. So it m from x minus x squared. So it should be square. So
Mm,
this is variance.
will we be dealing with uniform distribution or some random
That's a great
distribution?
question. We will be
Because I want to
working.
show a formula. I think that if guys see a formula just once, they'll understand what we're
Can you?
talking about.
Okay.
I googled it, but I want to know if I should show the most general formula possible or the one about with
Let me show this on the whiteboard. Do you see my whiteboard? This is a whiteboard.
yes.
Great. So let me
And
turn
guys,
on
you
lights.
can if you pin Alexi's rectangle, then he will become larger and easier to see it.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you and see you.
Okay. Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we
I
can hear you.
Hello, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Can you
Okay.
hear us?
Yes, now I do. Yeah, okay. So okay, so this is the whiteboard. So let me tell some words about variance. Variance. Let's start with the some well, actually, I don't know what to start with. I'm not a mathematical teacher at all. So imagine that you have some oh okay, you go to the marketplace and there is a cow. Imagine this is a cow. And you start asking people what is the weight of this cow, and the people start answering you this question. So the first person say, okay, this is 500 pounds. Oh, okay, in kilograms. So this is 300 kilograms. This cow is 300 kilograms. Another one is telling you, oh, this cow is 200 kilograms, and one more 350 kilograms. So you are asked 100 people, and you create the diagram, the histogram of what is the weight of this cow. So you see, you split this. So this will be weight kilogram, and here it will be number of answers. So you start, so there was 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. So between 100 and 150, there was, I don't know, 10 answers. Between 150 and 20, there was 50 answers. Between 20 and 200 and 250, it was 200, okay, some other amount of answers. So this, and this. Does it make sense, this histogram? So this is that here it is number
Yes.
of answers, and here is the weight of the cow. Okay, so it means that approximately the people think that the weight of the cow, the average, so mass of the cow Average is approximately 250 kilograms. How did you get this answer? So you just add up all the answers to how many answers there are. Okay, so this is the arithmetical mean. Yeah, mathematical expectation. Okay, let me give you another picture. Uh, Unfortunately, I do not have the I don't have the different color, the marker of the different color, but let me try to do this. So this is about cow 1. There is cow 2, and cow 2 is the very fat cow. It's extremely fat cow, but people do, how to say, the estimation is very good. So we can create the same graph. So it will start not from 100 kilograms, it will start from 300. Okay, so it will be 350, 400, 450, 500, 550. So here it will be number of amount of answers, and it will be the proposal weight in kilograms. But here the distribution looks a little bit different. So a very small number of people think that the weight of the cow is between 300 and 400. A lot of people think this, this, and this. So you see that the, how to say, the diversity of opinions here is big, and the diversity of opinions here is small. So not only the expectation mass from cow 2 is approximately 425 kilograms. Yeah. So you see here the diversity is big, and here you see the diversity is small. A lot of people tell you approximately the same value, approximately the same. Here there is a big diversity. One says 100, another says 350. And here almost everyone is saying 400. Does make sense? 400, 450. Okay. So this is not definitely the definition. This is kind of the bad explanation what is variance. The exact explanation what is variance is the following. So variance is the mathematical mean from the mathematical mean of the cow minus squared. Here it is sum, and here it is divided over n. So this is variance by definition. So the meaning of this variance is how big is the diversity. The problem with this variance that it is squared here. So you measure the variance not in kilograms but in square kilograms. So the variance of the cow is measured in squared kilograms. So if you want to know how to say how wide is your distribution, you may take a square root from the variance, and this is called standard deviation, STD. I will not be going deeper into statistics. So why all this stuff is needed? Because we will be working with the same notebook of rabbits and foxes. And the question that what I want to ask is the following. So having the field of a certain size. So this is the torus field of the certain size. So this is the rabbit spawn site. And here it is a fox spawn site. So they start moving, and it will be a game over event uh, in whatever in 10 iterations. Okay, so and the distance between a rabbit and fox is I don't know 15 cells. So they are 15 cells apart of each other. So, and the game over in 10, where n is given. So, the n. And my question is, how big is the variance? Depends on the spawn distance. Depends on the original distance. It means that if you spawn them into the closest site, the game over will be in maybe not too much, but the variance of the game over may be very, very long. And if you spawn them apart from each other, far away, the game over event may be in 10 iterations, but the variance will be small. So here it's a big variance, and here it is a small variance. Guys, you are not supposed to understand this. So this is just an illustration. It would be great if you just listen to the words, to these words, and you may catch approximately a 10% of what is going on. Does that make sense? So 10% of understanding is great. 50% of understanding is awesome. 100% of understanding is impossible. I think so. So this is the introduction. It's like so here in the United States, they're very popular. So there are books for babies. So it's neural network for babies, general relativity for babies, photosynthesis for babies. So there are 4 pages. Uh, so and it is explained in 4 simple pictures. Okay, now you know general relativity. Okay, great. Okay, no formula at all. So this is approximately the same. So some words about statistics. No going deeper. Okay, now let's go to the code. And let us do some stuff. By the way, can anyone, so Nina is great, so it would be great if you later can upload your code into the Telegram channel. Does anyone else have their notebook to show right now? So it would be great if you will be doing this, not me. So because it's you will be participating in the contest. Still not me. Okay, no volunteer. Then let me ask Marco. Marco, do you have the
Yes.
possibility to download the IPython notebook that was just shared from
Yes,
Daniel on the
I
previous lesson?
do.
Okay, great. So please download it and let us do step by step what was supposed to do. So
Okay.
first of all, let's create, let's shape it into the OP wave animation. And second, let us do the median. So, oh, by the way, the meaning, the difference between mean and median. So mean or average. Uh, so average. What does this mean, average? You have several values. 1, 2. So this is the salary in some country C1. So the country C1 is the following. So the salary, so there are 5 person in country C1, and there are 5 person in country C2. So and the salaries in country C1 are the following: 1, 2, 3, 100 and 110. So there are 4 persons in country C1, and their salaries are 1, 3, 2, 100 and 110. So what is the average salary is the country C1? It will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 100 plus 110 over 2. Okay, this is too difficult for me. Okay, 5, 6, 106, 216, 216 over 5. It will be approximately 43.2. Okay, so 43.2 is the average salary in the country C1. Okay, country C2 is a little bit different. So in country C2, the salaries are 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so and the average salary in country C2 will be 43. So you may say, hey guys, country C1 is more wealthy than country C2. Why? Because the average salary is 43.2, and in country C2 the average salary is 43. Okay, great. So this is about average value. There is also one more characteristics that is called median value, and we will be working exactly with this median characteristics. The meaning of the median is the following. So if you get all the values in your set, in your collection, you get them sorted ascending here and here, and you take the value in the middle. So here will be 3, and here will be 43. So, by the way, this is, you can get the value in the middle from the middle in case of the number of values in the collection is odd. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd number. So if it is an even number, so it is will be, I don't know, 0. Oh, one more one. So you should take the average between two median values. Okay, so here median will be 3, and here median will be 43. Okay, so do you understand the difference between average and median now?
Yes.
That makes sense?
Yes.
Good. Good. Very, very good. Okay. Uh okay. So Marco, now could you please share the screen with
Yep.
the previous Daniel's IPython notebook, and we will be doing something. Great. ChatGPT is great. Yeah, please keep it. Very, very, very good.
Nice.
I believe, is it? Yeah. This is class game. So first of all, let us wrap the animation. So do we have the animation here, by the way? I believe we don't.
I don't think so.
Let's do the animation. So the animation should be the following. So as an input for the animation, we're supposed to take the history of the game. So we have the history of the game. I don't remember how it is called. Can we see it's
Yeah.
in here? Okay, trajectory. By the way, it
Yeah.
is very important. It is very important, especially when you're writing code, not for someone, not for someone to look, but if you're writing code for yourself, documentation is essential. If you're writing code for someone, you don't care what happens. But if you are doing things for yourself, please do it in a good way. So that's why documentation here, comments here are important. So you see, so if we had the documentation here, we can just read, okay, trajectory is the history of the game, whatever. But okay, never mind. So it should be between class and init, and it is called Doxygen documentation. So there's a keyword, Doxygen. Okay, now let us create the class animation.
Should I make a new block or?
Oh, no. Or yes, yeah, let's do it a new block. So so this
Here.
is a block for class game. Huh? Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Okay, let's do it class animation from the yeah, great. Okay, let's write the constructor,
For
and
what?
we constructor init def init, it calls the constructor. So this is the part of the code that has been spawned when a new object of this class has been created. So here in the initialization we need to pass two parameters. One is definitely self, and one more we are
Trajectory.
sending the game. So animation of what? Animation of the game, a lowercase.
So,
No, no, oh,
what do you mean? What is the second
yeah, yeah.
argument?
A second argument, so you think trajectory.
Yeah, I mean,
Mm, let's do the game itself, because we will probably need some more information. So we will take for example, we will take n. Uh, okay,
goes
so
from
let's
line
self.
and no. Okay.
Okay, let's self here self dot game equals to game. So we will encapsulate the parameter into the object attributes. Yeah, and please leave the space between the equal signs, because this self game equals to game. So yeah, so that this means that you assign. So equal sign with spaces means assignment. Okay, so equal
And
game
without
equal.
spaces,
There is no problem for Python. Python will understand, but you are writing programs not for the computer to execute it, but for yourself to read and understand it and for
okay.
change it. So that's why it is important to keep these spaces. So spaces means assignment. No spaces means that a value of a parameter that is passed to the function. Okay, great. No, that's it for now. So now we need to. Okay, how can I create the animation? What is your
Animation
idea?
of what exactly? Sorry.
Yes, what do we want to animate? We want to animate how there was a game, how the foxes and a rabbit, how they are moving across the field. What's about the game over? So we have to yes. Oh, trajectory is a parameter. Let's take probably not a trajectory. So yeah, it was bad to take the trajectory as a parameter only because we don't have the field size. So we can also pass as the parameter that the trajectory and the field size. Does make sense?
Mhm.
So it's okay. So it's my bad. So it's better definitely to pass all the game. So
There's something like this.
yeah. No. We don't need this because we have this n in the game. So it's
Yeah,
actually
we have. I
self.game.n.
mean, we can isolate it for easier use. Or
Okay, now let's open. How can I create the animation? What to start with? How should I do?
Yeah.
You should start with some notebook where you already have the animation. Do you have some notebooks with the animation?
Yeah.
Great, you do.
Here.
Yeah, we have it. We had it a lot.
Yes. This is the part of animation.
Okay, do you understand how animation is look like? So there is an update. So yes, upload. So what is going on? Iterate.
Okay, so we just have like plots, and each frame is one update of the plot.
Exactly, but we already have these updates in the trajectory. So
Yeah.
look, what does this mean? Animation. How it works? Animation. What
Uh,
creates with update fig? So you see, it is set
I mean, we
array.
create the new frame with update.
We create a new flame with update. Yeah. What is im here in this im set
Image.
array?
Oh.
Exactly. Okay. So the problem
Okay,
for
so we
you,
are going to draw
let
a graph
me.
for I mean each index in trajectory or
Great. So let me leave you a little bit alone. So I will be here, but I will not be dictating you what to do line by line. So please try to do it yourself. Does it make
yeah,
sense?
okay.
Great. So
Sure.
if you need some help, I need help. So I'm here, but it's like riding the bicycle. I want you to ride the bicycle by yourself. I don't want to keep you. But if you want to fall, I can keep. Does that make sense?
It does.
Great. And it would be great. It is really great, by the way, when you are just not silently doing the stuff, but you are thinking loudly. So you are explaining what you are going to do, what you're doing, what is your idea.
Okay,
So
so
no comments. So just so why it is important? Because when you are thinking, you are thinking with your mind. But when you are talking and you are hearing, and this is exactly the same information, just as you are thinking about, but this information comes from the other path. So it may give you some bigger picture, complex picture. So that's why it is important to discuss the problem with yourself loudly. Okay,
okay.
let's try doing this.
So first I'm gonna make a new method for doing the animation here. Yeah, what should I call it? I mean, animator. Most of this, we also have to make function. Can I make a function inside of method or
So let's first of all do something that it is working. Okay, and next we will be making something
yeah, I
working
mean,
due to.
but can I put this inside of the
It's up to you.
animator?
So do whatever you want, but it should work.
Something like here. Can I do private?
Oh, there's no private and public in Python. So everything is public. So if you want to make the method private, you should use underscore underscore if you
Yeah,
wanted
I
to.
mean, I don't care for this because we are using it.
So yeah, so actually underscore underscore means a private method. Underscore is a protected method. So protected method is visible from the inherited classes. But let's do it. Let's make it work. So we want to see the fox that is chasing the rabbit. And when someone ate someone else, there should be a game over.
Yeah, I also have to do all this stuff.
That's it. So why animation is important? Not because something is caring about the animation. I mean, animation is a great debugger. When you see what you do, you may see that you are making mistakes. If you do something in a silent way,
Yep. I'm just copying stuff, so I'll try to figure out what's going on here.
whatever. Oh, sine 2 pi.
So I have to make a grid this size.
It's look like wave and sine function. Waves on the water. Okay, do you
What
need some help?
exactly is G? Maybe
G?
here. Is it a grid or?
I believe G is for game or grid. This is for game of life. It looks
Yes.
like LLCA, cellular automaton. So let me give you one tip. What is animation? Animation is a
Yeah.
sequence of frames. Animation
Yes.
is a sequence of pictures. Does that make sense?
That
Great. So let's decompose our task of creating animation into several steps, and let's start with some reasonable steps. So reasonable step will be create an image, just one image. Okay, you have a trajectory. This is a trajectory of the
yeah.
game, and you have the first frame in the trajectory. Let's create the image. So there will be a function, there will be method animation show. It should show the first, the initial state. Does that make sense? So
Yeah.
just the first state, no animation, no moving stuff.
Okay,
So
so
we will have to see the first. So at least we will know how to do the images. So it's like building the house. So when you are building the house, you not start just putting bricks onto each other. So you dig a big hole, then you use some
yeah.
concrete and other stuff, and then you build some supportings with wood, with whatever, and when you remove these supportings, so
Okay,
it's the
so
way. Mhm.
what update returns? It returns a image, new image, or yeah, I mean, I first have to make the initial one.
Image is not implemented here, so probably we need an internal attribute that will keep the field. So let's create the empty field end to end, just an empty field end to end, and show it. Does make sense? So we need
Yeah,
grid
it does,
end to
but
end, grid end to end with cells.
yeah, I see how to do that.
Hey, ChatGPT, I want to draw a grid end by end with cells using matplotlib. Give me the code.
Okay, so uh, matplotlib, not mat.
It's okay, he won't listen.
Okay, this is kind of
This is just drawing grid.
yeah.
So you want grid? Okay, line, 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 line. This is what you wanted?
So maybe this, or let me try.
Uh-huh. Good, good, good.
Okay, let me put it here. And delete all this stuff.
Great.
Where's the main? Here. Is
There's
this?
no main. There is no main. This is an IPython notebook.
Yeah, but if
So
I run this, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
nothing will change. So this is just a definition of a class.
Yeah, okay.
Figure out where is main.
So I guess it's this here.
Yeah, so there is somewhere.
This.
Oh, no, 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 no. Let's use it as a class, not as a package. So, yeah, this will work, by the way. But okay, let's create the. mm,
Oh, you mean
I mean,
the
lowercase
object?
animation. Let's do it in a good way. Let's please
Yeah.
do it in a good way. Uh, there is an animation from lowercase equals to no from lowercase. This is the calling of the class. No, no, this is C++. It will not work. Remove the
Okay,
first
so
word.
just animation, or
Yes, yes, yes. And now call the constructor.
that
Animation
means new
from
before, or
no, no, no new. Python,
just the
all the
constructor?
objects. Call animation starting from big. No,
Animation,
no,
yeah.
no. Just animation. Great. No, 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 not in it. Remove the it. Just open the parentheses. Yes, great. And here you pass the game. What is game? Where is game?
So I just passed the game.
Yes,
Game
exactly.
here is,
Where is game? Game. There's no game here. It's in upper somewhere.
yeah, it's here.
Okay, here.
Hmm.
So let's do the game.
Can you
Let's
make
create
a new game, or
a new game. A new game.
new game
Great.
is equal to?
Call the constructor.
They just
Uh-huh.
need n or size of the board, or yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't need anything. It's already predefined to be 5. So
Great.
animation, new game.
Now you need to do the game. No, no, no. The game was just initialized. There was no game. So let's do the game. It was somewhere upper while game, not game over or something. No, no, no. There was a while cycle. Down.
Why? I'm just gonna do
No,
this
no,
and
no. Upper. Oh,
record
here,
it.
here. You see? Game equals to while, not game, game over, game step.
Okay,
Yes.
this here
No,
is
no, no.
playing the game,
No,
but
no, no,
do
no, no. Only 2 lines with while. While, not game. Game over, game step.
oh, this.
Okay, great. So this will fill out the game.
Like
Great.
this.
But instead of game, say new game.
Yep, I see.
And new game step. And move it to
I
the
also
left.
think
So too many
there are
tabs.
small mistake here. I need to set n. Where is the animation class here?
No, you don't need set n. No, 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 no. You
Why?
all no. Oh yeah, oh yeah, you can. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah, you have to set n. Self game n.
Oh, that's n.
Yeah.
Wait. And
Remove 2 tabs where while it will not work. Yeah. Oh, you're waiting for a lot of experiments to get finished.
experiment
Let us create one more cell between this experiment right under the animation class.
here.
No, 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 no. Where you define the class animation.
Oh, I have to
It's in
delete
the
it
upper
here.
cells.
So where is the animation? It's here.
Here. Yeah, exactly. Uh-huh. Let's add these 4 lines. Run it.
Yeah, game is not defined.
Run the cell with game.
Yeah, we need to put this above.
No.
Oh.
You need to run the cell where class game is defined.
Oh,
This one. Correct.
I don't know. So this one.
Correct.
No.
And now, okay, now we need
Animation that.
read the error, fix the error.
Is
So
there a
oh,
button that
again.
allows us to run all previous blocks?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I've been
there's a
observing
button.
that you usually run blocks from the upper one to the current one.
It's there.
Okay, so it completes. What do you want now?
Yeah, but it isn't showing animation. I mean,
Yes, what's the problem?
let me just
Look.
debug this.
Okay, let's print something. Yeah. We are here or whatever. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's not printing anything, so
It's
we're
not
not there.
okay.
Oh yeah, I'm not animating. Okay.
Good, good.
Animate. What?
Animation take 0 positional
Here
arguments, but one
argument,
was
but
given.
one was given. There isn't anything here. There isn't anything here.
What's the problem?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
need help? I can tell you what's the problem, but it would be better if you figure out the problem,
Yeah.
not me. Please read the error slowly and carefully. Type error. Type. Animation animate takes 0 position arguments, but 1 was given. There was a positional argument given to the function, but the function doesn't expect anything. What is this argument that was given to the function? The function is not awaiting anything, but 1 argument was given. What's the problem?
Or no.
Remove this update fig. You don't, well, just for now. So let's keep with
There's
animations.
yeah.
Yeah. So return em also don't need it. So
Also, yep.
yeah. Let's compile it and see the same bug.
Okay, so
What's the problem?
I mean, it doesn't take any arguments here. I don't give
Correct.
anything.
I think it's convenient to ask if other participants are still with us.
Yeah, guys. Yes, if
Maybe
anyone see
someone
the
sees.
problem,
Yeah.
yes, if anyone can see the problem, please tell what's the problem is. What should be fixed? So look, we have the function that doesn't take any arguments. We propose no arguments to the function, say run, and it tells I can't work. You sent 1 argument
Because
to me.
one is given. So maybe.
Okay, let me give you 1 minute and then I will tell you the answer.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and does anyone have the answer?
No.
Do you see the problem? So we pass 0 arguments to the function. The function accepts 0 arguments, but it takes, I don't want to work.
I mean, here maybe it's working that on that object, but It still isn't an argument.
Wait a moment. So let me tell you the answer. Look, the function animate is not
Yeah.
actually a function. This is the method of the
Method, yeah,
class.
it's method for.
So it means that one argument is still provided to the function, and this argument is exactly what is before the dot sign. So the object animation is provided to the function. This object, no. Let's get it back. No. Нет, return it back. No. Return it back. And here it was everything correct. So the function definition wasn't correct.
Oh.
Yes.
Does it mean the self?
Yes, it means self here. Yeah, provide self here. So you are providing the object. And now
Yeah.
you
Nice.
are. Nice, but it doesn't work. We wanted the grid.
It works.
We see the black square.
Now we see a white square, or we don't.
White square? I don't see the white square.
Yeah, I don't. Okay.
Color white? Well, it's not white.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. It doesn't matter.
I can ensure you that this is not white. This is just a black square. This is not a grid.
Yeah, I mean, it's not yet agreed. So we are going to color some. And just take a look. Can you make a grid from matrix? I mean,
From anywhere. Oh, by the way, do you see my cell in pens? Here.
yeah, you do?
Okay, so you need this grid.
Yeah, I know what's
Does that make
grid.
sense?
Oh. So I guess I can make a matrix and then
Great.
just draw it, or
Create a matrix 5 to
do it
5
like
with 25 cells and black borders between them. Go ahead.
no.
By the way, do you understand what was the problem with one argument and 0 arguments?
Yeah, I understand. I mean, I need self in every
Yes, you need
method.
self. It means that the object is being provided to the function. Wow, we have the grid. That's
Of
great.
this
But
here.
let's great. Let's have
Color
the
bar.
grid.
Let's
Yeah,
just
color bar is okay. Okay, let's move on. So now we need to put the position of the rabbit and to the fox to this grid.
okay.
By the way, it would be even
So
awesome.
I guess I'm going to just set everything to 0. Let's make a, let's say something like global here.
No global. So you are in the class.
Yeah, I mean,
So you
it's not global, but inside the class. I mean, how do I say it?
inside the object. So you initialize something in the constructor, and this is encapsulated in your object. So this is the meaning of object-oriented programming, encapsulation. So
Yeah.
this is why object-oriented programming was invented. So the reasoning for object-oriented programming is encapsulating everything, keeping things inside, not expose everything to functions.
And here I have stuff. And actually, let's just put the game dot and this I can do it. this here. Uh, okay, let's try this now. Yeah, it is an error. Matrix is not defined. But oh, I have to do solve.
Good.
Yeah,
Here you are.
I mean it's working now, so I have
Mm,
to draw the
it
line.
doesn't look like my cell and pens.
I mean, I just have to draw the lines, so
So create this.
what?
This.
Yeah. See here. Okay, so what's this? Is it? Yeah, let's try with this. But it's same as
No, it's not.
yeah. What is LT here? Oh, I just forgot the P. And also I have to delete this self. Yeah, no, it's just empty. So ChatGPT is listening. Oh, it's borders. I mean, not borders. Any.
Let me help you a little bit. So it is stupid ChatGPT. It doesn't understand you. So
Yeah.
what you want, that is, please ask him the following. I want each cell of the
Oh,
matrix
so yeah,
being
I was looking
bordered.
for the word and okay.
It looks for the field, so it tries to understand you. Yeah. So not fields, cells.
Yeah,
So I want each cell bordered. I want borders between cells.
I was trying to find the word and yeah. Line style. This.
You see? It gives you the it
This.
gives you yeah, 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 yeah.
Where is it? Okay, still isn't doing anything.
Okay, keep going.
But what? No. Oh, I also forgot. So,
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Let me help you a little, just a little, okay? So you have in your IPython notebook 2 cells. Then you fix something in the cell number 1 and then run cell number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, if you copy data from cell number 2 into cell number 1, there will be 1 mouse click instead of 2. That makes sense?
Okay. And what?
It's simple. Copy the code in the cell number 2 where equals new game, it will equals to game, whatever. This cell, yeah, this cell.
Yeah.
No, not this, down. Not this. Yes, this. Copy this code.
Oh.
Copy. Move it to the upper. To the where class
Okay.
animation.
Oh.
Here. No, not here. No, not here. It should be outside the class.
Oh, you mean outside here?
Yes, I mean here. Okay, now there are only one
Oh,
click.
I just have to run this one. Yeah.
That makes sense?
Thanks.
It's just simpler. Okay, we need to fix the problem. It still doesn't look like this.
Yeah.
It should be like this.
But the chip GPT says otherwise. Line with yeah, let's try with maybe bigger this one. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Or the color is no, it's black. Okay, maybe this will work. Yeah, I need soft. Yeah, nice. It doesn't work either. Oh, and there's also this one. It's going to do something. Okay, wait, what's coming first? Oh, this goes after this here. So here. Nice.
You got it.
Yeah, finally.
Finally. Great. So now you see how much did it take?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can change the white line width. You can do. Okay, now let's put rabbit and fox in their position. You may write R and F. It would be okay. Or you may color them if you want to. Up to you.
So,
The
windows
first,
in it or
up to you. So draw it.
okay, so
So now we have the empty matrix, and you see that it took 15 minutes to do this. Not simple, but you
yep.
did it, and this is great.
Okay, so now we have to mark where is the fox and where is the. I mean, I don't have to do it with trajectory. We know that all first move is always. Oh, actually, we don't know that because of this. Okay, so matrix of trajectories to J. No. uh, okay. Is there pairs or? I mean, oh, it's dictionary.
Okay, put the
So
rabbit
how
to
do
the
I
rabbit
access
position.
how do I access the element of dictionary in Python?
What do you want to access?
I mean, the position of the rabbit.
Print it. Trajectory 0. Matrix. Print self game trajectory 0. Print.
Oh,
Not here, not here. Okay, if you don't know what it is, print it. Show it to yourself. Say print. No, no, it may be here. Okay. So whatever. No, in animation, you already have the gain in the animation, so you could either print it in the constructor or in the animate method.
print.
Yeah, print, animation. No. Oh, okay,
Oh, I
new
want
game,
to print trajectory.
trajectory 0 and
Oh,
0. This is a list. Yeah, great, good, do it.
yes.
Let's look at it.
So
Here
yeah,
you are.
but what does this mean, rabbit? I mean, how do I access that?
Self.game.trajectory 0 rabbit.
Oh, okay. Oh, actually, I can. Yeah, self.
Mm-hmm.
Trajectory
Trajectory 0. It's a list.
trajectory of 0 dot rabbit.
Dot will not work. It's not an attribute. You should
Oh,
use as a dictionary key,
like this?
like this. This will also not work.
Maybe like
You should use lowercase,
lower.
and
Yeah,
rabbit should
yeah,
be in
yeah. It's lower.
single quotes. No,
Uh,
single quotes. Rabbit is not. Yes,
like this.
and
Nice.
now 0.
And can you do it just like this, or I have to do this and then also like this? Is it okay now? Or I guess it's okay. I'm accessing the first element. Okay, I need to set it to, let's say, 1. Okay, it's giving some error, some problem. Matrix is defined solved up nice. Okay, now it's fine. And let's do the same for the fox. Here goes fox. Here also fox. Let's say 2. Okay, let's try on. Nice.
That's great. That's awesome.
Other colors, maybe.
This is the first step to animation. The first step to animation is a single frame.
Yeah.
So you're great. By the way,
Well,
guys, let us. So could you please share your great notebook and say it copy of Foxes and Rabbits, say it Foxes and Rabbits 3. And
oh, okay. I
oh,
can.
no, you can
Wait,
export it or save it
export.
pin. No, in file menu.
But yeah, I
So
know it's
download. It's download, not export. Download.
download. Here.
Here. IPNB. Yeah, great. So you have it
Let me
downloaded
put it
onto
here.
your local machine. No, it's not
Let me
here.
put
So this is your disk. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's keep the homework as it was. Yeah. So please try to do the homework. So we did one part of one point of the homework. So we started with the animation class. So please go ahead with the animation class. It is hard, it is important, but when you have it done, it will be much simpler. Okay. And then we can go forward to the math, to drawing stuff, to the graphs, to the maths, to make it handy. So because on the contest you will be having limited time, and you are supposed to get trained well how to do things. So I don't know, this is not working. Let's create the animation. Okay, oh, this is the problem. This is the problem. So visualize your work, see what you are doing, print what you are doing. Okay, for example, I don't know what trajectory is. Print it. Now you see it. Do not try to discover. Do not try to read the source code. You have the value. You don't know what it is. Don't discover. Print it. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So let's meet there in a week, I believe. Exactly in a week. And please do the homework. And please, so homework still the same. So create the class animation. Now we have the image done and we need the animation. We need the rabbit and foxes are chasing each other. So they're not chasing each other, they're just moving randomly, but yeah, we look at it as they are chasing each other. So create a class animation and do some math stuff. So plot them onto their correct positions. And that's it. Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you, Alexei. Thanks everyone for joining. Do you have any questions?
Yes, please. Yeah, questions is important.
And maybe you have some answers. Neither questions nor answers. Okay. Well, you know
Good.
where to find us. We're still in the Telegram group, so anytime, anything,
Yes, and
please
please
reach out.
share this notebook because you see how much labor and tension it took to create this graph. So I'm definitely not underestimating this. This is really hard. Yeah, this is really hard and this is really important. So please do this hard physical labor. Okay, see you in a week.
See you.
See
See
you.
you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you.